We went to the Friends Experience, the one in Manila in Soler, and here's what happened. Watch till the end for tips if you plan to visit too. My brother, my BF, and I are huge Friends fans. It's my #1 most rewatched series. Like every year, I rewatch it once or twice talaga. So of course, when we found out the Friends Experience is coming to Manila, I just cannot miss it. We got VIP tickets agad kasi the perks included skipping the queue at the entrance and priority sa 3 photo points. May 10% discount on merch plus may tote bag pa. I was so looking forward to this. Pero late kami dumating for our 3 p.m. schedule but di pala ganun ka-strict. Mahaba yung pila so buti na lang VIP kami so nakapasok agad. Before the purple door opened, they were showing some funny clips from Friends. Tapos may mga pa-trivia pa while we're waiting. VIPs are priority sa pagpasok pero nagulat kami na di pala by batch or schedule ang pasok and stay sa loob. Yung fountain area sa intro yung unang set and grabe ang daming tao. Medyo di siya organized so kapalan talaga ng mukha. Nakapag-picture and video agad kami sa fountain kasi VIP nga and I'm glad na may staff sila who will take photos for you. Ang ganda ng set replica kaso di lang maganda yung framing ng shots nila sa amin. Nakaka-pressure kasi ang dami mong kaharap ng mga tao so di na namin na double check. Next, you'll see the signed scripts and all the main cast's costumes. Medyo naiyak ako when I saw Matthew Perry, also known as Chandler Bing's costume. Tapos may mga details din on display about the set designs, costume designs, and artworks. Naka-display din yung hairstyles ni Rachel here. Favorite ko yung The Rachel. May mga dedicated walls din for the different characters, like this one for Rachel. Even the 18-page letter ni Rachel to Ross, you can get to read them all, front and back. Next, yung most anticipated set ko, the pivot stairs. We just told the staff what we wanted, tapos sasabihan ka naman kung need mo mag-adjust.
Shut up!
Nakakatawa lang kasi nakaharap kami sa maraming tao while we were trying to recreate this popular scene. We also saw Science Boy, yung comic strip ni Ross, and also Chandler Bong's wall. Next is the boys' apartment. We had our photos taken with Hugsy sa sofa where Ross and Joey took naps together. And of course, the recliner chairs or lazy boys. You can sit in it and reenact this famous scene ni Joey and Chandler. Ang ganda ng set kasi super close talaga sa actual sets ng Friends sa show. Andyan yung entertainment unit or cabinet na ginawa ni Joey. Meron din yung dartboard, tapos may wall of Magna Doodles with messages na were in the actual episodes. Pwede ka rin mag-video dun sa foosball table. Ang saya. Naka-display din yung dog statue ni Joey. On the way to the hallway in girls' apartment, may wall with who dated whom with timelines pa nga. Tapos while nasa pila kami, sumingit na rin kami ng photo op dito where Joey was wearing all of Chandler's clothes. May wall din ni Joey with that clip nila ni Rachel with the spaghetti. Then pinalipat muna kami sa queue for the hallway where we had pictures taken sa door ng boys' apartment. Doon sa hallway naman, nagpretend kaming umaakyat ng stairs like sa show. Kaso di pala nakakuhanin papasok kami kunwari sa apartment doors. Next is yung girls' kitchen. Sayang wala yung living room nila. May VIP queue din dito, so mas mabilis for us. We had photos and videos taken and ang ganda ng set. Gusto ko ang tangangin yung cookie jar. Yung ref, di pwedeng buksan, sayang. May separate queue yung sa purple door and buti na lang may staff na kumukuha ng photos. We had fun recreating yung Thanksgiving scene kahit na maraming nakatingin. Afterwards, you'll find the turkey head ni Monica. And the dedicated wall for Phoebe. Namiss namin yung walls ni Ross and Monica pala. Final set na yung sa Central Perk. Sadly, walang VIP queue dito so medyo matagal ang hintayan. So we took videos and photos dito sa Central Park outdoor set with Phoebe's guitar. Meron din palang wall with Marcel's poster. Ang ganda ng design ng Central Park set. Para ka talaga nasa cafe where all the Friends cast hang out. But first, dito muna sa keyboard ni Ross with the BF playing his set. Finally, the iconic orange couch sa Central Perk. May staff sila who took our photos and videos. I love it. Tapos may separate queue for the bar area. Sayang lang, di maganda yung angle ng photos and video namin nakuha nila. Nakalimutan namin sabihin na lumipat ang pwesto. Next is yung Central Perk window na pwede ka rin magpicture o magpahinga after standing in line for hours. Tapos yung Central Perk door, don't miss it. Nag-videos din kami dito syempre. Once you go outside the door, merch area na. Pwede ka rin magpicture sa second outdoor Central Perk window. Mas mukhang cafe yung loob from this area. Ang dami palang merch. Akala namin konti lang. May mga shirts, hoodies, picture frames, tumblers, plushies, aprons, keyrings, and more. Sayang wala na yung black mug. Na-sold out daw agad. Not sure if magre-restock sila. Ito yung price list for your reference. Pause nyo na lang. Dito rin nagpapaprint ng photos taken by their photo boxes inside. So we ended up taking home this cute Central Perk coffee cup. Natuwa ako dito kasi screw cap pala siya. And this picture frame keyring na pwede mong lagyan ng photo. We also got this cute Hugsy keyring. Sa sobrang cute ni Hugsy, we took home this plushie. Naaliw kami kasi pwede mo rin hubarin yung vest niya. I love it. Favorite Friends merch ko siya now. Okay, maingin kay Joey, baka hanapin. Overall, we had so much fun at the Friends experience, mainly because we love the show. So kahit na magulo or di sila ganun ka-organize, natuwa pa rin kami sa experience. If you're planning to buy tickets pa lang, do it. Sobrang worth it. And to make your experience a little easier, here are some tips based on our own experience para mas ma-enjoy nyo when you go there. Tip number 1, if kaya ng budget mag-VIP, go. Kasi aside sa free tote bag and discounts, nasa priority lanes ka pa sa fountain, pivot stairs, and girls' kitchen. Sa haba ng pila, sobrang sulit yung VIP tics. Number 2, kumain at uminom muna kayo before pumasok kasi after pa ng merch, yung bilihan ng snacks and drinks. Hindi ka makakalabas o makakabalik to certain areas. Tsaka baka mahilo kayo sa loob. Number 3, wear comfortable clothes, lalo na sa shoes. Tapos magdala kayo ng portable fan. Mahaba pila and baka mainitan din kayo sa ibang areas na tight in space. Take note na di siya kaya ng 1 to 2 hours lang. We arrive at 3:30 p.m. tapos almost 6 p.m. na kami nakalabas. VIP pa kami niyan ha. Number 4, not really a tip, pero we were late but nakapasok naman kami agad pagdating. Di sila ganun ka-strict and medyo magulo kasi akala namin per schedule yung batch na nasa loob. Baka mas mabilis ang galaw ng pila, sana kung ganun. Number 5, if you can bring a friend, better, para may someone who can take better photos and videos for you. Tsaka mababait yung mga tao na nakasama namin sa pila. So ask nicely pag magpapapicture ka. Better if 0.5 or wide shots ang pakuha mo para pwede mo pa mag-crop. Yung sa amin kasi, ang tight na ng ibang shots, di kuha yung ibang important props sa background. Kaya yung number 6 tip, plan na kung ano yung gusto mong shots, kung photos or videos ba. Be clear then when you tell the staff para they know what you're thinking na results. Check yung photos or videos na the staff took, tapos para take mo na lang pag di ka pa happy. Okay lang naman sa kanila. Number 7, kapalan ng mukha. Bawal mahiyain dito kasi lalo kang tatagal, lalo na sa mga may VIP tics. Ignore lang everyone looking and waiting for you. They'll have their turn and ganun talaga. They'll soon be doing the same thing naman when it's their turn. But syempre, wag naman yung full production ka, diba? And number 8, just have fun and embrace every moment so you can fully enjoy your friend's experience. That's it. We had so much fun, as in core memories na namin to. I'm glad marami ring mga younger fans na nag-enjoy dito. To our fellow friends na nakapunta na rin, share nyo naman experience nyo in the comments below.